Here in Scotland, the Highlands have more than half the land and only 5% of the people. Still, it's these highlands, so vast yet so sparsely populated, that give us that classic image of Scotland. The highest mountains in Britain are here in Scotland, in the Highlands. While only around 3,000 feet in altitude, they offer a dramatic welcome and a backdrop of constantly changing views for road trippers. Long lakes called lochs here cut like fjords into a land where the heritage remains strong. In this region, so much seems proudly Scottish. Clans gather to celebrate traditional sports. Girls grow up dreaming to dance like their mothers did. Whiskey is savored with reverence for the culture. And pipers still stir the Scottish soul. And in this land so steeped in culture, Scotland's beloved hairy coo feels perfectly at home. These shaggy Highland cattle have evolved to fit the environment. Their adorable bangs protect their eyes from both insects and the persistent wind. Historically, Highland society was centered around the clan system. In medieval times, long before being tamed by any central government, the Highlands were inhabited by a collection of proud and often bickering tribes or clans, each with its own chief and deep-seated traditions. Castles dotting the landscape evoke this strong clan heritage. Scottish people, whether in Scotland or abroad as part of the Scottish diaspora, still relate to their historic clan. And many venerate a particular castle as their historic capital and almost spiritual center.